3D printed me163 Marston. I'm gonna set them down for a second. Hold on. There it is. I'm gonna get a good, try to get a good handheld on this.
Get it like that on the, should be all right, huh?
Yeah. Shit. There it is. All right. I am all over the place. Where are you at? There you are.
I'm trying to trim it out. Whoa.
I think flies really good, dude. Oh. Whoops.
Still going down. Going down a little bit.
Still? Holy crap. Wow, that thing's pretty fast.
Oh shit. I'm only on 50% rate.
That's great.
And it's still really touchy. Just going a little bit to the left. Just flying it around on mellow speed.
Whoa.
It goes pretty good.
Yeah.
It's only 1100 kV motor. I have a 2200 kV motor at home for it.
Oh no.
Yeah. It would go really good on a 2200, huh? Let's slow it down and see how it flies here.
Are you gonna put it on the pavement or the grass?
Let me try and put it in the grass, I think.
Well, that slows down pretty good.
Okay,
That's pretty good.
Let me try that one more time. Boy, I gotta put less throws in all this shit. Holy crap, man. It's... Oh, okay. I'll set it down right there.
Dude, awesome.
It's set down okay.
Heck yeah.
It kind of drops like the Orca when you kill the throttle.
Does it?
This one, but dude, it flew
Dude.
good.
Good job, man.
That bugger flew good. How much? Okay, so actually the throws are just everything's straight and level. You don't really have to give it much. I mean, yeah, it has a little smidgen. You can see a little smidgen up, but
That's not bad. A little bit of reflex.
oh, dude, that thing